What is an ally? Being an ally means many things. You and I, we are a collection of unique experiences and struggles and privileges that we can use together to help each other. Are you willing to grow, to introspect, to be accountable? Being an ally is an action. The act of showing up. An ally means getting out and organizing for an oppressed or marginalized community. It is work, the work of building solidarity and dismantling unjust or abusive systems and patterns. It is doing the work on the ground, community meetings, organizing locally, providing mutual aid. It is the introspective work of acknowledging if you are upholding and benefiting from an imbalance of power. Asking yourself, do my words or actions harm the marginalized or powerless? Could I leverage privilege to push for and bring about equity, liberation, community benefit? It's hard. It takes practice. But being an ally means being in this together.